Okay, so we are here for our for the very first meeting regarding the user roles that we want to discuss, and our game project is based on the Android platform. Our game is a quiz app which name is Play and Run, as we discussed before. To initialize about the user roles, I'll categorize them into three parts, and I need your help in the further ones how to distinguish them. The very first is age, category, and level. If you talk about the age, the reason I included that because there is variety of age group people who actually use the Android app, and our main focus for our app is to distinguish the users, what the age group of the user is who actually wants to play this. So let's get started. For the age one,
I think 7 is fine.
Seven.
We have to start from 7. 7 to 19 is okay, I think.
7 to 19. Okay.
Yeah, 7
so next one will be 20 to
30 will be good.
30.
Yeah,
30. 31
to 40.
40.
Yeah.
Isn't that a big one? Okay, let's go. Let's figure it out later. Yeah.
I then
41 to 55.
55.
Yeah,
And
because
the
like
seniors should be
55.
all in another
Yeah.
age group.
Yeah.
because
55
like
plus.
they are of the same level of understanding. 41 to 55.
And after that, we will consider the people which are older or
Older than 55,
55.
Okay.
greater than 55.
Yeah.
So, okay, that's fine. Okay. So, anyone wants to add anything in this?
No, I think for now it's okay.
Yeah.
For now it looks good.
Okay. So, well, that makes sense. That's fine. Okay. So about the category, the basic for this one will be like which age group of user is basically interested in which type of questions, depending on the categories.
The questions are according to field, right?
Well,
Like
yeah,
science.
just example that a 7-year-old, we won't ask a question something like history or like a metallurgy or something like that. You know,
that's
like
true.
kind of that thing.
So
What kind of categories? I believe in here we will consider every, and we can filter it later, like
Yeah,
which one to go for.
that
which
would
one.
be great.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I have one. Cartoons.
Cartoons for the 7 is good. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very good. Yeah, guys.
Cartoons. Okay. Anyone?
Science for like
Science?
20. Science.
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 Yeah,
Yeah.
science is okay.
Oh, science.
Yeah. For
And we
20
can add
to
a
30.
questions on sports
Science.
too.
That's science.
Sports.
Sports is okay. Yeah.
Sports, man, nice. Maths.
No.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
So he said no, man.
Interesting for a
Even
group
I
of
don't
people.
like.
It's interesting, but some of the
Some do,
students
some
do,
face
right.
a lot of
Okay, let's
challenges
forget
with
math for the timing.
Okay, then let's do entertainment. For like 41 to 55,
No, we will
some
add-
lady who is
It's better
using
to
our
add
app.
20 to 30 because we will put music and entertainment.
Young
in
adults like
20 to 30.
entertainment, so you should
Yeah.
be putting that.
So entertainment one
Yeah.
or music ones?
The
Music-
both, we can put
Yeah.
like both.
Music and
Music is in
entertainment. You
20
can
to
just
30 is okay, I think.
So okay, music. Okay, music.
Yeah.
Okay.
sports,
History?
convention.
History. Yeah, I forgot that one. History.
Arts.
General knowledge.
General knowledge, man.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right point. General knowledge. Oh, sorry.
GK.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I forgot that. General knowledge. That's a nice one. What else we can be? There may be like I really believe there will be like
there
many
are lots
categories.
of categories. Yeah.
Lots.
But we are just going to generalize all the categories. Like science is the generalized category for all
Then we
medical
can do
and
subdividing.
Yeah.
any
we can
type of
we can also
science field, right?
Yeah.
So we just need to. I think we probably think about more generalized categories.
So you mean to say under the science, let's go for
Yeah.
Motherford?
No, we don't need to do that, right? Just science is good. Science is a most general category. So I think the category like music is
Okay.
not much general.
we can also put medical questions, you know.
So we can do that under science as well?
Yeah, in
Yeah,
science,
in
yeah.
the subcategory of science.
Yeah, in the subcategories we can divide it.
Okay, so under the category you want to create a subcategories as well.
Yeah, but that can be discussed later.
Okay, let's make it a note.
Yeah.
Subcategory. We'll discuss it later in the
Yeah.
consolidated one. Okay, so about the levels, about the levels, like how good are you think to take the quiz. That is the main motto for this levels, like how good. So
Okay.
I'll start with no voice,
Okay.
who's actually kind of, I don't think, who
Yeah,
thinks
the-
that
the-
is kind of level very low.
Yeah.
What can be the next one? What do you call that? Adept?
Adapt.
Adapt.
Adapt. Okay.
Then like expert
Expert.
Expert.
And master.
and
Master.
masters.
Master. Okay, fair enough. So okay, that's a fine part. So user roles we define according to age and category and level, and here's the structure that we want. So anyone wants to add anything in this?
No, that's
No,
fine.
I think for now
Level
that,
is
this
That's
is
good.
good, yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I think if we want to make some changes, we have to make the changes only in the category. Age and level is fine.
okay, but
If
yeah.
we want to add some more categories, we will do later on.
Oh yeah, we can do just like he said.
Yeah,
In
some
subcategories,
yeah.
we
Yeah.
can do that, right, that's right. So okay, so for the age one, let's consolidate this one. So for consolidating,
Let's take for age,
For age.
17 to
Se-
14.
7 to
Because
14.
yeah,
so
7 to
basically
14.
we have age group of 7 to
To
14.
60 something. Okay, this
Actually,
is the
yeah,
whole
because
broad.
Yeah.
I think that all those 5 categories, there should be lesser categories. You know, there are too many categories in that age group. 7 to 19, 20 to 30. They are too short.
So you mean to say
Yeah, there
they're
should be-
broad?
yeah.
It should be lesser.
Yeah,
in age?
span should
Okay.
be more, and
Span should
the-
be less or more. I mean, I'm
Yeah. The
Span
second
should be
span,
less.
20 to 30 and 31 to 40,
Yeah.
that should be, shrink to 1.
There should be
21
like
to 40.
less
Oh,
subcategories
okay,
of
okay.
age. I
So you want
think
20
so.
to 40, but okay.
So you okay?
Uh, if we are like saying that there is a same level of knowledge of 7 to 14 people, but like from 15 to 19 they are more mature or entering to teenage world. So the level for 7 age guy of 7 and 19 they are not
Yeah.
same.
Oh yeah.
So it
I
should be
think
7
that
to 14,
20 to 40, 21
let's-
to 40, yeah,
And
that's
for the
good enough.
41 to 55, let's do it greater than 40.
Yeah,
So okay, so you're saying for the consolidated one,
7 to
7 to
14.
14 would be great.
7 to 14 for the very first one.
Yeah.
For the very first
Okay.
one.
Okay, good.
And
Then
then from 15 to 23 or 21 is
21.
21 is
21,
21?
yeah, 21 would be great.
That's adolescence, right?
yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
then
22 to 40.
Yeah,
21 to 40 is adult.
22.
20
20
to
to
40.
40.
So we're including. Okay, after that
And then 40 plus.
40 to
And 40
for
and
the
greater
matured
than.
persons.
Yeah.
41 to.
40
It
plus.
41 above with
40
Above.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay,
40.
40 above.
above 40.
Yes.
Above 40.
Because there is no such room for the
So we are
adults.
cancelling this one, and we're gonna take that one. 7 to 14, 15, 21, 20 to 40, and 40 then greater than 40.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
right.
easy for us to do. Okay. About the categories.
I think these are fair enough.
Categories are, we can
Shouldn't
include
each
more
category
categories.
contain different set of, each age group span should contain different kind of category.
Yeah, exactly. That's
So that's just the broader aspect, but then we subdivide into more number of categories. Suppose it's 22 to 40, and we are thinking about medical people. So in science, it comes down to, like a tree.
Okay.
It comes down to medical, and then technology, something like student engineering students or something.
yeah, that's right. That's
Yeah, I
that's-
agree with them because for the age group 22 to 40, we can't ask them the questions about cartoons,
Yeah, that's right.
We can
that's
ask in a particular category like 7 to 40.
But we can put filters, so
Yeah, we can
yeah.
filter it according to age.
Age group.
There are certain categories that are accessible to age 7 to 14, and then there are certain categories that are for 15 to 21 that won't
So
be
it's
accessible to
specific
7 to
categories.
14, right?
Okay.
So we can filter it according
According
to
to
the
the
age
one.
group. The categories will be filtered according to the age group,
Okay.
and we need some more categories. Those are very few.
Okay, yeah, that's for sure. That
Yeah.
we need more categories, but should we consider the subcategories also in there, or you want the category and then the subcategories?
There is actually
Subcategories,
no room
I think
for
that would
subcategories.
be.
No room for subcategories. If you are asking about like medical
Okay.
question, it can still contain in science. So
Exactly.
there is no need to like subdivide it
subcategory,
into like
Yeah.
medical question or something like that. If you are asking for physics question, they are still in science. If you are asking about like biology question, then it's still in science. There is
So let's say like any science.
and
yeah.
let's
And
rename
basically,
it education science
as we are
instead of-
considering general knowledge, so it consider each and everything, so we no need
So-
to subcategorize.
Okay, so let's say, yeah, you want to say something?
Oh, I was just saying that if there would be subcategories, then user would be like more interested on some topics, and
Oh,
So-
that's also right. Like, if I want to do the science one, then I don't like, and I don't like biology. I don't want those questions. Like,
Because you don't
But
belong there.
it's
But-
like there is no choice for if you are developing an application and if you want to play this application, then you have to answer some question. Otherwise, how can, if you are good in your area, then you are expert in that area.
yeah,
So,
that's
you
correct.
have to answer
let's
some
make it
question.
let's make it simple and generalized, like cartoon, science, sports, music, history, GK, and I have to add one more, geography.
Geography, I guess, in the science.
Yeah, it's in the
Yeah.
science.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Because I like current affairs or something.
That's
And
fine.
you-
Current affairs,
are
yeah,
current
we can put that.
We can also ask them the question about movies.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's
Yes,
right, man.
yeah.
He's
That's
getting a
very
good point. GK movie.
Movies
Good
and
entertainment.
series.
movie.
Okay.
Nice one. What else? So we finalized we're not going for the subcategories from
Yeah.
physics, biology, whatever it be. We're gonna include it in the science one,
Yeah.
and there we go. Right?
Yeah.
Anyone else wants to add in this one?
No, just rename the science name to education. So
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, that's more generalized. Yeah.
Education. It's fine.
So we can have max question also in that.
yeah.
Yeah,
Correct. Correct.
that's good.
Okay. So anyone wants to add in this categories?
I think that's fair enough.
Fair enough.
That's
Yeah.
good.
About the level. Okay, 4. I really don't think 4 levels will be enough. Let's go for only 3.
Yeah.
There are too many.
Because there are too many right now. So okay, no voice will be there.
Novice, adept, and master.
No voice, adapt, and master. You want to say?
Yeah.
Yeah, expert and master are the same thing. I
Yeah,
mean,
they're just
they are
they're
just
similar.
like
More or less, they're the
Yeah.
same, I guess. So you should just
So you saying to delete?
Yeah. any
that
one of
should
them,
be
yeah.
enough, I guess.
Okay. So we have levels. Is that okay with that? All of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, great. So for the age one, for the category, and the level, any additional you want to do or any suggestions you want to add? I believe we are good with this.
Yeah.
I believe
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just give you a quick view about how it's gonna work.
Okay.
So for the very first, when the app starts, we're gonna ask the user about their age. Okay.
Mhm.
And then when they select that menu option or whatever we select about the age category that they want to select, then we move to the categories. Like which category type of question do you want to us to give you? Like let's suppose cartoons. Okay. And then for the next one, next is the level. What do you think is your level?
Yeah.
Expert, you think you're no voice, you think you're adapt, or what?
Actually, I think that we should start with the like adapt level, because no one wants themselves to consider as like novice or like masters.
Yeah, we can do that.
If I am a like user of this app, I don't want myself to be like telling you that I am an average person and please ask me the question below mine.
If the answer
That-
is correct, then the question,
Yeah.
next question will move to master. If the answer is wrong, then the next question will move to novice.
No,
We can do that.
that kind of stuff. Like the default level should be like
So
adapt.
what we can do is when the next intent will start, when the next activity will start,
Yeah.
we can be like by default it should be on adapt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like we give you option to be on the adapt. Great, adapt. And okay, so we can make this as a default.
Yeah, by default.
Okay, default.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the way, and then after selecting the level, you start the game. When the user ends the game, like kills the app, so they have to start again with the age. We're not storing their data. We're not storing login as a login their data for that. You know? It's just one start app. You started, you fill it. Yes, exactly. So you started, you played, you quit it, you have to again fill your age and then category
Start over
Yeah.
again.
and then do it. Is that right?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it.
I just thinking something and we
Okay.
can add additional like if you complete no voice level, 5 additional bonuses question will be there, like something, you know, again we can do that stuff.
Yeah.
And in the last, when the user finish with the game, we will give them stars. How much stars he
Yeah.
got, right?
Yeah.
How-
Rating?
Right.
Yeah.
The rating.
The rating for that. That's
Yeah.
nice
The
idea,
standing in
man.
the game.
Rating.
How much the total level is, right?
Yeah.
Rating.
Is it the no voice
bonus.
or adapt or master? We can say that.
Exactly. That's correct. That's correct. So, okay. So, in the last time, do you want... So, we finalize this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
We good with this?
Yeah.
Age
Yeah.
group,
I
category?
think
I still believe, as you said, all of guys, categories, we have to, like, you know, when
More
we think,
them.
like, exactly according to the age group, we can we can make it way bigger, rather than just thinking right now half an hour spending. So that's fine for me. So the level, okay, that's fine. Anyone wants to add anything?
No, I think that's good.
That's
We're
good.
good?
Very good.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm happy with this one. Okay, then let's do it. So, okay. So that's all for the meeting for us. And thank you all of you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for-
Thanks for the